you dance. So number one, always have a natural turnout in your feet. So your feet, whenever you step, should have always this natural turnout. Keep your feet together for now. Yeah, natural turnout. So you don't want to do too much, you don't want to do too little. Slight natural turnout. Now, whenever you have chance to close your feet, ankles should touch. Do the same leg as me. Right. Other leg. Very good. Now, ankles should touch. Now, next principle, anytime one leg passes another leg, you're going to brush. So you have to brush. So knee and ankles should touch. You should have this kind of sound, okay? It applies for every step, every walk. So let's review. So you have natural turnout. You have closing of the feet. Try to do the same leg as me. Very good. And now anytime one leg passes another leg, we have a brushing feel, especially in your upper thighs and knees. Yes, I tried that already. Go. Yes. Brush. And brush. And brush. Especially when you do fast, you see you have a gap between your knees. Especially when you go fast, go. Switch. Yes. Switch. Yes. So knee bones, ankle bones should always touch upper thighs. Very good. So feeling it's like you're dancing in very tight mini skirt, which brings your legs together. Got it? Okay, so number 4, anytime you're gonna step, your heel and toe should be always on the same line. So this will be incorrect, this will be too much crossing, this will be open legs. Not good. So very good if you heel and toe on the same line. Very good. So now you're gonna combine all these qualities together. As you walk, you're gonna brush. So it's going to be tight brushing, which is number 1 for you. Now you see a natural turnout as you place your foot. Now heel and toe on the same line. Brush, natural turnout. Very good. The same if you're going to go backward. So you have a brush, you have a natural turnout, heel and toe on the same line. Brush, natural turnout, heel and toe on the same line. Now another principle, if for your every Latin dance, the footwork will be as follows. Toe go first, then ball of the foot, then heel gradually slides, lands on the floor. So going this way, toe, ball, heel. You would never want to go from the heel in Latin American dances. Toe, ball, heel. Very good. So you brush, natural turnout, toe, ball, heel, heel and toe on the same line. Very good. Now the same going backward and brush. Excellent. Walk. And I'll walk, and I'll walk, and I'll walk, and I'll walk, and that's very good. So now, if we will step sideways, same idea. So see, we step side, now our legs open, but natural turnout still there, and sensation of our legs wanted to go together, like you're dancing in that mini skirt, is always with you. You want to go forward, you're brushing, natural turnout, excellent. Release. Natural turnout, boom, and 2 and 30 and 4 1, or if we're doing cha-cha-cha, 2 and 30 and cha-cha-cha, and 2 and 30 and cha-cha-cha. Okay, now if we move a little bit higher here, whenever you're gonna dance samba, cha-cha, rumba, you will experience a pendulum action in your hips. Pendulum actions. Pendulum action in your hip. So this is your hip action. Now pendulum action in your hip, we combine with a rotation and we get a figure 8. Excellent. And now if we move farther away, we also have to focus on shoulder to hip action, where your shoulder connects to the hip. This is called Cuban motion. On count and, shoulder connects to the hip and to the floor. And then you transfer weight and shoulder to hip, step, shoulder to hip, step, shoulder to hip, step, shoulder to hip, step. And last but not the least, we're going to focus on our rib cage. Let's say if you're going forward, always imagine, do your left leg. If you're going forward, always imagine there's a rib cage leading the step, not the leg leading the step. If you focus on rib cage, it's going to give you a little bit idea of how to move body weight. Moving rib cage, your weight will move. And this is just to start with. And the last, it's for the couple. Anytime we dance, we want to have a connection between us. So how to create connection? Take your tummy in, elevate your rib cage slightly and project your spine to me. So we will feel a slight pushing sensation between us. Yes, and now in this feeling of giving, like you're giving me your body weight, you're giving me your projection, on this feeling, try to do your actions. Number one action, it's a shoulder to hip action. This is like whenever you step and then you're doing shoulder meeting with the hip, that will be number one action. And as you do shoulder to hip, increase connection. Increase, more connection, not less, more. Now this is exercise connection. We call it high 5 or high 10. Now when you dance, it's going to be slightly different. It's going to be here. So your wrist should always be straight. Yes. In the same line with the elbow. Straight, straight, with the same line as an elbow. Yes. And now you want to give in this position as you're dancing your Cuban motion. So you do shoulder to hip and you're giving forward like you calling an elevator. Ding dong, calling elevator. And ding dong, very good. Yeah, give. And you constantly give when you dance, constantly giving. Like if you're going side to side, you're giving forward. If you're going backward, you're giving forward. Yeah, you move back, but you give forward. Like there is a wall here. Go backward, but give forward. Now when you forward, you're of course giving, so you're always giving forward, regardless where you're going. So try that and go walk and walk, a little bit connection, right. So you want to stay connected. So knowing that points, let's go to studying choreography and steps. So the basic step of cha-cha, you have two basics, most important. You're going to use the forward and back the most. So two basic steps, how to go forward, how to go back. So every step we start with the and, then we're going back 2 and 3. Now we have a hip twist with the lock step. And move your rib cage forward. Cha, Latin cross action. Cha with the high pressure on the ball of the foot. Push away 1. From here, check forward walk 2. Replace back 30. Now we have a backward lock step. So sending your hip high with the ball of the foot only, no heel. Latin cross position with the high ball of the foot on the back. Come back. Very good. Remember, keep natural turnout in your feet. Turn out this foot. Yes. Soften your legs and push away. 1. Chest up. Go and 2 and 30 and cha, cha, cha and 2 and 30 and cha, cha, cha. Now for the arm style, if you don't know what to do with your arm, try this. 2 arms, corset and elbows forward. Another thing, when you're gonna dance cha-cha, you can also use your arm. As you're going back, you send it back, cha, 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 then arm going over your head, and 2 through the middle, 3, using circular motion, going all the way up, cha, cha, 1 behind the head, and 2, 3, shoot it back, cha, 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 1, 2, and 3, and a cha, cha, cha. So this is the basic actions we're going to use today. Let's go to your choreography, okay? So we start your choreography with the Cuban rock. We're going to wait, but it's going to be very fast Cuban rock. And 4, we replace, very good. Now from here we go 2 slow New Yorkers. 1, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1 is come back. Now next, another slow one, but on count 2, stretch your hand away. 3, 4, and 1. Now you're gonna have 2 taps, but 4 steps. And 2 with the high chest. And 3, elevated body. And 4, and 1. So that's section number 1. And yes, and 4, and yeah, let's go from beginning. Oh. Yeah, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. So here we want to have and 1, a little bit powerful. Then we go and 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 1. Now next one you have 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. A little bit faster in the feet because music will be very fast. Okay. Just the last part of the section number 2. Here we go. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Yeah. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So don't think about it as a step. It's almost like same time, like you jump into it, like you clap legs together with the high chest. Okay. Try that. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Now from here, you're gonna use your upper body a lot to send yourself with the right foot to the step diagonally forward. Count 2. So send yourself there. 2 and immediate change 3. So it's 2, 3 you have. Okay. So count out loud with me from very beginning. And 4 and 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3. 3, and when you see your partner or you don't see your partner, what should you do immediately? Give. You want to give. What are you giving? You're giving your body weight slightly, your projection of your body weight. You're giving your connection. Now from here, I'll twist you. So try over twist as much as you can. Pivot your feet. So you go cha-cha, 1, and have it as tight as you can. And now here you will feel like a little bit pulse, and that will send you into the sitting position. Count 2. And 2. Now when you sit, you want to have a little bit wider position, a little bit wider and a little bit higher on the toe. So elevate your knee and arch your back. Right, stick your booty out. So feeling is like if I have my hand here, there is a clap. So try just count 2 together. Close your feet. We're going to do just pulse. And 2. Then put your arm here and you're going to play. 3 and 4 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. You're going to stand up. Yes? Let's go from beginning. Connect. Yes, let's stay here. Yeah, you have to give a little bit straight arm, straight line. Right, bend it. Straight. Yes, straight like this. Yes, you don't want to be here. Yeah. No, straight from here to here, straight. Yeah, it's the whole piece, one piece here. And 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 3, close. You have to little bit twist. And go cha-cha, 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1. Just play. Release hip, boom. With a little bit, use your knee and hip to create that shaky motion. Yeah, just more fun, more live, more free. You don't have to. Try from beginning the whole thing by yourself with the count. 2, 3 with the count by yourself. 4 and count. 1, 2, 3 and 1 count. 2, 3, 4 and 1 count. 2 and 3 faster legs. 4 and 1. Say step forward. Say 2, 3 count. 4 and 1 and 2. What count is this? 2. You have to count. Try again. I want to hear your voice. Because this will be the last time you count. Because on the music, you're just going to follow. Let's go. Count. 4 and 1. This is 1. No, this is 1. And 4 and 1. Count. No. Good. Very good. Very good. Okay, so repeat after me. So this is a 4. Say 4. And this is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Now